Hello, Christina, Scott, and Tommy. I hope this video finds you doing well. As always, I'm going to speak quickly, but this information is going to be very helpful to you. It's going to be very simple, and it'll get you going on getting your store set up so we can continue the process so we get you up and running as quickly as possible. So anyway, here you are at your page. As you know, I'm already logged in. I can tell because I've got some of my dashboard appearing here. If I scroll all the way down to the bottom, if you're not logged in, you would log in right here at the very bottom of every page. But I'm already logged in, and that's why I'm seeing actually when you first log in, what you'll end up seeing is a page that will look like this. And you may remember this is your dashboard. You don't need to worry about it this time. And these are the shortcuts going across the top here. What I want to show you right now, if you would please start to add some of the images to your store. And I'm going to go ahead and click on media, and I can either click library or add new. So I'll show you when we click library what's there at this time. So these are the images that are currently in your website. There's a total of 50 of them in your website. Oops. I'll just close that because I don't want to show you that at this time. And these are the ones that are currently there. So if we want to add more, what we'd end up doing is going right here. It says add new, and then we go to select files. And so you would have these files, photos on your computer, hopefully. You could email them to yourself or text them to yourself if you've gone ahead and taken the pictures using your phone. But what you'd want to end up doing is getting these images, and I believe all of these have already been uploaded, so I'm not going to upload them again. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they all have been. But as an example, and these have already been named here also. So I'm going to go back to the folder here and click on something that's not been named. So, here we've got this is the titles, those numbers, those numbers, those numbers. And so these are about right here. I can see these are the files about to be uploaded on the bottom of the screen. I can see that. I'm going to click open. So right now it's adding right here. You can see these 3 files are being uploaded. Now, they're probably duplicates. And Scott, you may be able to identify that this is already somewhere here because you had sent these. I don't see it. So maybe it is right there. It's probably right there. So if I wanted to bulk select and get rid of some, I could end up just clicking do bulk select, and then I could end up selecting more than one item at a time. And then I could delete the ones that are duplicates, if there are any. And what I wanted to show you is that I showed you how to quickly upload something. I'm going to cancel these 3 photos. And so these could be your 3 products, or each product as you start to take some pictures of them. You upload them, which we did here, you already did. You click on this here, and then right here, you're ready to add the information that you want to add. And Tommy's done this before. He's done a great job of adding alternative text. So this might be a display case of vapes. And then the title might be variety of vape pens on display. And then you don't need a caption, but you do want to have a description. So it might be natural needs, carries, well, actually, it should be more of a description of this here. Natural needs display of 1 dozen vape pens. And, you'd add a sentence, maybe 2 sentences if you could right there quickly. And then all you end up doing, if I can get to, then you just end up going to the next photo right up here in the top. So you go back here. This is already saved automatically. You go here, you go to the next one. And so this would be alternative text. It would be OPMS Gold tablets or capsules. CBD capsules, however you spell it. And then the title would be, again, OPMS Gold, and then you just add whatever the words would be, extract. And then you don't need a caption, as you already know, but you do want a description of 1 sentence. And then you just do that for each one of the products that you end up images. I used the wrong word. So images that you end up uploading. So now that's done. So now we've got this one done. This is done. That's great. I go to the next one. This is not done yet. You need to add the description. And you can scroll through this and see which ones have been done and which ones have not been. You can see right here, again, these are not good titles. There's no alternative text. There's no description. So you just go through each one of these. If you're not going to use the photos or images, then you can do the bulk select and then go ahead and just knock them out of your media library so they're not a bunch of junk sitting in your media library and messing stuff up for you guys or organization wise. It won't hurt the website. Anyway, with that being said, then if we want to start doing the products, we go to products and then either go to all products, and this will show you so far right here. This is loading. I can see, you can't see it on the screen, but loaded. These are the 7 products that have been created so far. There's 7, see right here. And then these are the names of them, etc. And then you go to add new. Wait 1 second while it loads. And this is where then you'd end up adding, the product, the name of it, OPMS, 50 milligram capsules or package of 6 or whatever it is, and then you give it a product name. And then you go ahead and add a little bit of information here. There's a video on this later, so we can go over this at another time. I'm just trying to help get you started. And then a keyword phrase would be just 1 or 2 words relative to that product. And then if you want to go ahead, which if you're already on this and you know this from another video, this is where you go ahead and add a product image. So let's go get that OPMS. There that is there. Again, here we go. We only have this and that. We don't have the description yet. I'm going to hit select product. And then we might want to add a gallery, but we can worry about that right here. If we want to, let's say you have 2 or 3 photos of OPMS products in a gallery. Now these will appear along with this particular product. Now, there's more information to add, prices, etc. But this at least gets you started. Here's the categories, and I'll mention this. You already know these, but you can add new categories here, or you'd end up clicking this OPMS. What is it? It would be an edible and probably, I don't know how else you do this, capsules and something else, I think what you had. So, and then you hit publish. And we didn't give this a name, so this is not going to be a good thing. You'll end up having to find this, and I can show you where it's at right now. View products, 1 second. If I go to all products, you'll see one that does not have a name, and that's the one that we just created.